it, you have to find for x. This question is somehow amazing. It's an Olympic math question. How are you going to solve it? The first thing I'm going to do is think about how to do it. Okay, since you have 7 to the power x here and 5 to the power x here, I have to divide by what? Something that is 5 to the power x or 7 to the power x. I'll choose one of them and divide everywhere by 8. Since I want to have a small number at the denominator, I'm going to choose 5 to the power x to divide everywhere by 8. Not this one, because one is very large. Okay, let me take the smallest number and divide by 8. Okay, I'll have all over what? 5 to the power x all over 8 here. 5 to the power x all over 5 to the power x. Okay, this principle is what? As we know that a plus b all over a is equals to what? A all over a plus b all over a. That's typically how it look like at this point. Okay, hence you're going to be having what? This all over this, you have a 1 is equals to what? This all over this. Like, try to simplify this one. Okay, if you have a to the power what? To the power half, it is the same thing as what? Square root of a. Therefore, if you have a to the power x on 2, that will be the same thing as what? Square root of a to the power x. That's typically how it look like. This is what we have here. Okay. At the level of the denominator, we have 5 to the power x. Okay. Since you have this, you know that 35 is what? 35 is equals to what? 5 times 7. Hence, 35 to the power x all over 2 is equals to what? 5 times 7 to the power what? X all over 2. That will be equals to what? 5 to the x on 2 dot 7 to the x all over 2. But if you check here, we have all over 5 to the power x. Okay, hence you have all over 5 to the power x here. But what we have to do now is to try a way to have x all over 2 here, so that we should cancel out. How can we do that? We know that half plus half is equals to half 1. Okay, look here. Hence, you know that also that a to the power m times a to the power n is equals to what? A to the power m plus n. If you take a look here, you are going to have what? Example, 5 to the power x will be equals to what? 5 to the power half times 5 to the power half. Are you seeing it? X on 2, sorry. So that if you add them up, you are going to have this back. Okay, coming back to it, let them do it here and apply what we had here. Okay, hence we are going to have what? This, because this is the numerator, to have what? 5 to the power x all over 2 times 7 x over 2 all over 5 to the x all over 2 dot 5 to the x all over 2. Hope you know why we are having this. Okay, without forgetting this other section, that will be equals to what? 7 to the power x all over 5 to the power x. Don't forget that one. Hence, at this point, we can divide everywhere by this one, and this one can cancel out. Okay, so you have a plus here. Hence, you have 1 plus what? 7 all over this. That will be 7 all over 5. All that to the power, you can bring it to the power x all over 2. Since you know that a to the power m all over b to the power m is equal to what? A all over b to the power m. That is the same principle we apply here. And also at this point, you are going to have what? Equals to 7 all over 5 to the power x. That is typical principle in English and logarithm. Okay, at this point now, checking at this question, we have 7 all over 5 and 7 over 5. If you take y is equals to what? 7 all over 5. Okay, taking y is equals to this. That is somehow amazing. Now, if you take y is equals to this, therefore, if you take example, y to the x on 2 is equals to this. Because we want that this should be like a quadratic equation, and the quadratic equation is usually having a y square. Okay. Okay, quadratic equation always have a square there, and if you take a look at this, there is not a square. Okay, hence if you take y is equals to x over 2, 7 over 5 to the power x over 2, it means this one will be equals to what? Y square. Because if y is equals to the square root of a to the x, therefore y square will be equals to what? We square this one to have what? A to the power x. You see, that is it. Therefore we have what? 1 plus y is equals to y squared. That's typical. Okay. At this point, this resembles a quadratic equation that is we are familiar with it. We can then solve it using the basic principle or the basic quadratic formula. To have what we can just bring everything here. To have y squared minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. That is typically what we have here. Hence, proceeding at this point, we have what? This. Hence, we can take x or y is equals to what? Negative b, that is negative 1. There is 1, okay? Plus minus 1 squared 1 minus 4 into what? 1 into 1, okay? Negative 1. Square root of this all over 2 into 1, okay? That will be equals to what? 1 minus 5 square root of 5, that is plus minus square root of 5 all over 2. That is our y. Okay? Therefore, automatically, we know that y is equals to what? 7 all over 5 to the x squared. Therefore, 7 all over 5 to the power what? X all over 2 is equals to what? It's equals to this, that is 1 plus minus square root of 5 and 2. At this point, we can solve differently to have the positive part and the negative part. Taking the positive part first, remove